Alright everyone, in this video I'm going to show you why Bitcoin has more downside after this big hit to the downside. Right now it's not going to happen immediately. I'm going to show you the wave structure that we're looking at from an Elliott Wave point of view. We're also going to look at alts. I'm going to show you why alts might have the potential to hit to the upside pretty hard, and why the markets are looking like they're going to come to the downside. We're going to analyze the structure here and see what we can do. You're not going to want to miss this one, guys. Stick around to the end of the video. I am going to also go over KASPA since it was commented in my last video. Guys, if you want me to go over any asset or any stock, any crypto, leave a comment down below. If I like your comment, I will do it. I got KASPA here. I got Nikhil also down here wanted KASPA. So we're doing KASPA today. Leave a comment what you want down below. After you watch this video, join the free Discord linked in the description below. There is a premium option where you get access to my live Elliott Wave charts. Oh my god, live Elliott Wave charts and premium alerts, all that stuff. But the free Discord, guys, I posted this today. I hope everyone got in on this short. It looked nice and juicy to me. And hopefully everyone was in good profits. But yeah, you'll get free alerts from time to time. It's a great group of guys in there. If you leverage trade, use MEXC. My link is in the description down below. Using that link, you're going to get 10% off, already the lowest fees, and a $1,000 deposit bonus. And it is what I use to trade on currently, and it really supports my work if you use the link down below. Let's get into this, guys. We're not going to really go too hard in the big picture. We're just going to analyze this hit to the downside that we experienced. After reviewing this countless times, I originally wanted to see an impulsive 5 waves down. 1, 2, 3, something like a 4 and a 5. That is the shape that I needed to see off the top. We're not getting that, and this structure that we are in is just dragging out a little too long for my liking. So I'm forced to call this pretty much an ABC at this point, which is fine, and I'm going to show you why it is fine. Stay with me, because just because this is corrective here, I still think we got a lot more downside to come. Now, this sideways action is just creating liquidity zones to come and grab. If you're in the Discord, you know my bias is kind of towards the downside here. I want to see a flat finish right here where we have a correction here, a correction here, and I'm looking for 5 waves impulsive right here. Guys, this could be finished. It could be finished. I just have a feeling it's going to curl over, look like it's going to break the low. It's going to be pretty quick and impulsive. And we're going to come into this area. If you pull fibs, it's looking like the 1-to-1 is at 42,100. If it wants to go lower, it can. It just cannot break our low here. This is on the MEXC chart at around 41.5, 41.4. So it can definitely break all these lows, come down as low as like 41.6. It would still be a nice looking flat. And I would be looking at this to just be a correction of this leg. And we're going to come up, fill this up right here into this fair value gap. You can pull fibs on this entire leg down. This chart's messy. I'll clean it up in a second, guys. And I'd be looking to come up to the 0.5, 618. It could come as high as the 786, and that would not surprise me at all. There's so many shorts that piled in right here. I feel like taking them out would be standard. If we pull a fib here, it would be extended to the 2618 fib, which can happen. Crypto happens quite frequently. So as I clean up this chart, ultimately the main structure we're looking at is just an ABC correction of this leg, and found inside of it is a flat correction of this leg, and we would expect 5 waves to the upside right here. This leg is where I would assume your alts. Ethereum, I think, is going to go and break the high. Alts are going to kind of rally on this leg right here. So how I'm playing this currently and how I'm trading it is I want to see right now a rollover break. Look like it's going to come break the low. I want to at least break this low. And I will look to flip long right here for this leg. Now, guys, this could be a flat right here. Want to come up again right there and then come down. And you still have your flat structure. This can happen a variety of different ways, but the overall shape I'm looking at is this. And I'm looking long at these levels down here at 42K, 41, 41.9, 41.7. Those levels right there, I'll be looking to long, and I'll be placing stop losses here at the low at 41.4. Now, after this plays out, if it does play out in some way, shape, or form, and we get a corrective wave to the upside, I would just simply be expecting another correction to the downside, like so, maybe like this, a bigger correction like this, really come and take out stuff, and this would just be simply a WXY because it's a double correction. As you remember, we had the ABC from the top. There we go. So this is just simply would be a double correction, and we'd be looking to start taking out these lower targets and correcting this huge leg up. Stick with me, guys. This leg up right here, we would be correcting. You could pull your fibs if you want. Maybe down to the 618, maybe down to the 786. And just note that we can have a smaller correction here, a smaller correction up here, and then come down. Like, this can be more elaborate and more lengthier in time. But I'm just going off of the wave structure that we have right now. And in general, I want to see a WXY correct this leg, and then we can rally one more time into the highs around 55K before we dump Bitcoin and all the other markets, kind of dump. That's where we're at. I hope everyone's good on that. We went over short term. We went over longer term. I'm going to switch over to the ETH chart super quick before we hit KASPA. Again, guys, comment what you want to see down below, and I am more than willing to chart it. All right. So for Ethereum, I want to see 5 waves finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Something of the sort. And here I would need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Some type of a flat here to correct into wave 4, and then we hit up. This would break the highs. That's what looks good to me. Where liquidity is at right now as well is there's quite a bit up here at 28K. As we zoom out, let's kind of see where this places us. I mean, if you want to pull a fib here, I don't agree with that. Your 786 fib is at 3,000 even. I doubt it's gonna crank that high, but who knows? Who knows? The way Ethereum pumps, you know, if you look at the past history, this entire leg to the upside here, this huge leg was when Bitcoin here. That huge leg was when Bitcoin was just correcting its leg down, and Ethereum put in that mega high off of just a Bitcoin correction. If we go to the daily, that was this section right here is this section right here for Ethereum. March 21st. Let's see. March 21st, right here. This tiny little leg up was this massive leg up for Ethereum, and it ended on May 21st. May 21st ended right here. So this junk for Bitcoin just so happened to be Ethereum's mega pump to the upside that was 150%. So, you know, people get out of Bitcoin, they head into Ethereum and head into altcoins. And I think Ethereum has a good potential for a long coming up when we're looking to long Bitcoin for that flat correction. KASPA. This is what I see on KASPA. Long term, super easy. A WXY to the downside. Why do I say that? Because I have a correction off the top. I have a correction here. There's no way I'm going to call that a leading diagonal when we're breaking it like that. So I'm calling it a correction, WXY. And that would be correcting this wave and would... Actually, it came up to about the 618, which is good. That would imply another leg to the downside. I'm assuming in the form of an A, B, C, something like that. Probably definitely more dragged out. Maybe in the form of a WXY. So you ABC here, WXY, like that. That's the overall structure I'll be looking at. And within it would be just an ABC like that. And we are currently in a corrective wave. As I zoom in, I believe it looks like it wants to flat on us, so we have a correction up. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 done. We have a correction up. We have a correction down. That's going to break the low, it looks like. And then we would expect 5 waves to the upside for our C leg. All right, and you want to pull your fibs like this. Right to this corrective pocket would be nice. And that would correct approximately to the 0.5 fib. And then we can start our leg down. Guys, that's KASPA, that's Bitcoin, that's Ethereum. Join the Discord, free, link in the description below. Use MEXC to trade. I appreciate you watching this video, everybody. Thank you so much. See you in the next one. I love you. Bye.